Egg whites have two main benefits to a cocktail. It adds a smooth mouthfeel, nice viscosity and texture, and it creates that everlasting foamy head. Hi, I'm Derek Schomer, host of Combat Cocktails, owner of awesomedrinks.com. If you want to see more videos like this, go to awesomedrinks.com/3, all 3-minute videos. This is our 3-minute education series. You can sometimes substitute like an aquafaba powder, maybe, or the chickpea water that's in here and use that instead of an egg white as a substitute, but I found it adds a different flavor to it, and I'm not a fan. Afraid it's hazardous to your health? Fine. Go to the store and buy pasteurized eggs for your cocktails. Don't use fresh eggs. What you're gonna need to learn how to do is what we call a dry shake. I'll explain to you the dry shake as we do one. Let's create today the Clover Club. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of a London dry gin. We're gonna balance it off with 1/2 ounce of raspberry simple syrup and 1/2 ounce balanced against that sour lemon. 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice. Then you're gonna use about 1/2 egg white or whatever you can get to flop in there without taking all the egg white. There you go. Dry shaking. We put the ingredients in here. We put the top on. Seal this just a little bit, and we're gonna give it a shake of about, I don't know, let's go 15 seconds. I feel good about 15. Ready? No ice, just shake it up. Now, if you're doing this with a standard cocktail, the cold chill would have changed it would have created that vacuum space inside, and then you'd be able to keep a good seal, but we don't have that, so we just take care. Now we add the ice. If you do the ice with it, it will tend not to emulsify as well, and you basically just get a smooth cocktail, but you're missing the foamy head, the second attribute. And notice it looks like sherbet ice cream. That's how you know it's working. If you aggressively shake it even harder, I worked out today and I'm kind of in pain. If you do it really aggressively for like 2 or 3 minutes, you should get a nice white foam that just rests on top like a latte. You could go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com, click to the ingredients and type the word egg white, egg space white. Boom, every cocktail in my book, all right there. And by book, I mean internet website. All just raspberry goodness up in my grill, little floral. And if you want to take it an extra mile, you can also add a couple dashes of bitters to the top of the foam. So there you go. That, my friends, is the Clover Club. We're teaching you how to drink.